If you're running a startup and still paying thousands for web developers, you are literally throwing money away. Listen to this. There is a digital infrastructure strategy no one is talking about called interlink automation that is more efficient than your manual, tedious, traditional work processes, which makes this system model a complete game changer for entry-level founders and others. It's basically like having an on-demand technical team running your backend. You set up high-converting web workflows and link those workflows together. Now you have an automated system that handles and processes certain work tasks, allowing your business to generate sales, capture leads, and scale around the clock, completely hands-free, even while you're off the clock. So why waste your budget on mediocre, overpriced, incomplete developed websites when you can learn to build one yourself utilizing our Workflow Automation Setup Guidebook, or hire our establishment's IT support team to do it for you, all at low cost with access to support. Brought to you by Microburst Media, a digital marketing network, bringing you powerful media solutions for your business.